Hello kids, welcome to my channel Maths Fun Learning. I'm your math teacher Rashi, and in this video we are going to learn magic of multiplication. Yes, magic? Yes, it is a magic of multiplication. You already learned some magic trick of multiplication in my earlier video, the previous video, where I explained you about two-digit multiplication, the easiest method to solve a two-digit multiplication. And now in this video we will learn about the three-digit multiplication, magic of three-digit multiplication. As you all know, the table of 1 to 10, and that is very easy to learn actually, right? But if we talk about a two-digit multiplication or a three-digit multiplication, that is difficult because two-digit is quite difficult, and then we talk about a three-digit, it is more difficult, right? So how to solve a multiplication with three-digit number? We will learn that easy method today. Easy and quick method to solve a three-digit multiplication. So let's learn about the rule. So before going to start a multiplication, we should know the rule. What happened to my color pencil? Rule number 1. And the rule number 1 is, if we multiply any number with 0, any number, you can take any number, 2, 3, 4, any number, or two-digit, three-digit number. Okay, I will take a, because we are doing three-digit multiplication, let's take a three-digit number. So answer is always come 0. Rule number 2 is, when any number, if we multiply with 1, the answer is the number itself. And what is the number? Let's take this, the upper number only. The answer is same. Okay, so these two rules you always have to remember it. Now let's try to solve three-digit multiplication. Okay, so I'm going to write here the number. The number is let's take 326 multiplied by 412. Okay, this is the first number, that is the second number. I'll just mention here first and second number. Okay, now to solve easily, what you will do, you'll take second number and write down the expanded form of that number. Expanded form, yes, you know expanded form, 400 plus 10 plus 2. This is your expanded form of that number. That expanded form is going to multiply with 326. Now 326 first multiply with 400, after that it is multiplied with 10, after that it is multiplied with 2, and you can see you are multiplying 326 with the expanded form. You can see there is addition sign, that means all answers of the expanded form, it should be added. Okay, so let's take the first number. Vertically I'll just show you, 326 multiplied by 400 plus, the answer should be plus because expanded form, because of that expanded form. 326, then it is again plus 326. Okay, yep. So now, as you know that whenever you have a number, if you multiply the number which has a zeros, so don't multiply that number with zeros. First multiply that number with the upper number with only the number 4. Okay, yeah. So if you multiply, let's see, 6 times 4 is 24. Very good. 4 and 2. 4 times 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Good. To 0 and 1 here. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1, 13. That 0 is left. You can put that 0 after the answer. Okay, isn't easy? Now, second rule, you can see number multiply with 1. The number itself is your answer. See here, 326 is multiplied with 1. You just make it. We are not going to multiply with 0. First multiply with the number. Number multiply with 1. The number itself is your answer. And now you can see it's not a 1, it is a 10. You can put a 0. Oh wow, that's a single number too. So it's easy to multiply, right? 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 3 times 2 is 6. Now you will get 3 numbers, and that is all expanded form. And what you have to do? Simple. You have to add these numbers and you will get your answer. Here we'll write the answer. Okay, now if you add that number ones place, 0, 0 plus 2, that is 2 is your answer. Tens place, 0 plus 6, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. Very good. And 1 plus 3 is 4. Now it's 3 and 1. So this is your answer. When you multiply, you can see when you multiply your number, you will get this answer, 1,34,312. Isn't it easy? While describing you, while explaining you feel that maybe it is little lengthy, but it is not. If you will do, it's quite easy to understand and easy to solve it. Now let's take another example. Okay, I have a number 584 which I am going to multiply with 801. I took a different and the bigger numbers too here. Take a second number, write down the expanded form. This is 800 plus 00 plus 1. Multiply that number, first number, with the expanded form, and let's start. I am going to write vertically so that you can easily understand. 584 is multiply 00. 584 is multiplied with 1, and all are expanded form, so here we'll add this one. Okay, yep. So your answer is, okay, 8 times 4, 32. Good. Write down the 2 and 3. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 3, 67. And 6, 8 times 5, 40. 40 plus 6, 46. And now you have to put 2 zeros. See, always whenever you can see you have a zeros number, only multiply with the number first and put zeros. Whatever the number, whatever the zeros you have. Yeah, so here you can see this is the rule number 1. Any number multiplied with 0, it always gives you a 0, right? So that means in this number, if 584 multiplied with zeros, it gives you a 0 only. Because why I write 3 zeros? Because here is a 3-digit number, the upper one. 584 multiplied with 1. Rule number 2. Any number multiplied with 1, you will get the number itself. Yes, so here the number itself is your answer. Now what you have to do? Just simply add these expanded form. Ones place, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Tens place, add tens place, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. Now 100 place, 2 plus 0, 0. sorry, 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. Excellent. Now 1000 place, there is no 1000, only 7 is there. 10,000 6 and lakh, it is 4. So this is your number. I hope you are able to understand, and it's quite easy. Yeah, so like that you can multiply any digit number and it is quite easy. But what you have to do, you have to only practice these things, these numbers, practice multiplication. If you practice more, it is quite easy, and your speed is also increased, and you can do as fast as any other. Thank you, kids. I hope you really enjoy this video. You understand the trick, easy method of multiplication. Please like and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.